All right, here we go, everybody. You're going to receive an email over here that says Ziyak password creation. I'm not going to click on it because I already did and that would screw this up. So we go to sign in, and here we are with Josh. We're signing in. As soon as you sign in, this is what you see. You're going to want to come up here to create a business. Does everybody see this up here in the top? This is the only thing that matters to you. You're going to create whatever business of yours that's the favorite of yours in your town. So hit OK after I clicked free. So let's say my favorite restaurant is, let's go with Bar Louie. They have them all over the place. It's always delicious. I get the same thing every time. So up here in type, we're going to go down to food. Okay, you'll notice it populated your whole address through Google Places, which is awesome. We're here looking at the hours and the days they're open. So let's go to Bar Louie so we don't put in fictitious information because that would not be helpful. So we're open. Let's see, Monday through Friday, 11 to 2. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. for all you late nighters that are out there. And if you add more days, you hit the little plus sign. So then on those days, they're open Saturday 10 to 3, Sunday 10 to 2. Oh, 10 to 3. It's late. So Saturday, 10 a.m. to 3 a.m. That's Saturday. We're going to do one more day. Sunday's got a different schedule. That was 10 to 2. Now we're going down here to the images. The image down here is really important. It is a small round image that ends up in the middle of the card. So this has to look good. You don't want to do anything big and clunky. So we're going to go to choose image. Luckily, I just went to the internet and grabbed a couple. We decided to use this one. It's their logo. Now, if you don't have these images that you can grab from the internet, that you can grab the whole picture, you're going to do a screenshot. So on an Apple computer, it's Shift-Command-4. If you are on a PC or a non-Apple product, it's going to be, there's a snipping tool, which you're going to want to grab and grab your image. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place this thing in the middle of that circle the best you can. Right there, so it looks good. After you get that, you're going to go down here and you're going to grab the large background image. I actually used this one, which is a picture of their bar. Now, do not go outside the lines here. You want to stay in the image. Otherwise, it's stretched out and doesn't look as good. Let's do this one. We'll scoot it down and grab the bar stools. Looks inviting. Makes you want to go and sit down. So now that we've got those, we're going to put their website. And we can actually add their Facebook. And I have their Facebook open right here. So we'll just copy and paste that right in. So you get their Facebook information as well. We're going to publish this because we're done with it now. Oh, phone number. 816-555-2955. Now you notice that wasn't done, so it brings you back up there and it tells you something's not done. That will appear in red if there's something that has to get fixed. So now we've published that. What you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your event. Now, for a normal event customer, they're not going to see all of these businesses because they just have their one business. So if I'm the manager over at Bar Louie in Chicago, this is what I see. Click on my business. I'm going to go down here to the little plus sign. See, it says create event. So that's the most important part. That's where they're going to create the things they do. So they're going to do, how about 3 yellow tacos? Sounds delicious, and that card would actually grab my attention. They're going to do that on Wednesday because that's the night they do those. So the start time on those is 3 p.m. Let's make it 3:30. It's really 3, but for you, we're going to do this so you can see how this works. See the minutes come up, so you go to 3:30. That's actually 3 o'clock, so we're going to leave it there, not screw it up. Because we want all correct information here. That ends at 7 p.m. Okay, good there. Description. It says stuff your face. That sounds like fun. Instead of putting all the address information, you don't have to do that. You can use the use my business address. It has it all. It's going to be indoor, Chicago in the wintertime. You wouldn't want to go outside. Once again, website, if you don't have it copy and pasted, just throw it in. Okay, now for the images. I want my little logo to stay the same, the little circle, so you don't have to put anything in here because it'll say it just defaults to that. So this is going to show up on my card. Not going to put anything there right now. Since it is tacos, instead of putting the bar, let's just do our taco image. You're going to choose that. You're going to crop that to where you want it. Remember, stay within the lines. You can make it as big or small as you want. Yeah, let's go there. That looks more appetizing. So you get your taco in there. Now you come down here, you're going to pick out what it is. We're going to go with food. We're going to go with family, so we can get everybody in there. We've got the event. Now, let's say that they do multiple Taco Tuesdays or multiple $3 tacos. You're going to click here for an additional date. So let's add December 29th. We're going to add the same hours, 3 to 7. 3 to 7. And you're good. Now you come down here and you can post this event when you're done. The whole time you can look at the picture because this is what the card actually looks like in the app. So this is what everybody actually sees. Click post an event. Boom, you're golden. So now if you want to create another event with that business, you can, or you can exit out of this business right here. You come back to create another business. Once again, you click free because you're not paying right now. Okay, and we can set up another one.